What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Just a quick sponsor video for crypto.com, a little bit of news, and we'll get into what's going on the platform as well. So crypto.com and the Red Cross join forces to support people affected by the crisis in Ukraine. So you can donate with crypto, fiat, or by buying an NFT, and proceeds will support the Red Cross and those who are affected in Ukraine. That's pretty cool. So we're going to read this bit here. It's all pretty important stuff here. So just hang with me. So the humanitarian crisis in Ukraine and neighboring countries requires our collective support. Within a few days of the onset of the crisis, Crypto.com made a USD $1 million donation to the Red Cross Red Crescent, ensuring that the funds would be used to provide humanitarian relief to people affected. Since then, events have escalated, and so have the need for aid to help people suffering hardship. In partnership with the Red Cross, we are launching a campaign to raise awareness and funds to support their vitally important work. Our in-house team has created a TV commercial which will air multiple times during the live broadcast of the Academy Awards in the United States, and we will also raise awareness on all our social media platforms. Viewers will be directed to our campaign page where they can donate in one of three ways: with crypto, fiat, or by buying an NFT for the campaign collection. Crypto.com will be matching all donations up to USD 1 million. So that's pretty cool. So you can head over to crypto.com if you'd like to make a contribution to aiding Ukraine. In other news, they are the official partner for the FIFA World Cup 22 in Qatar, which is absolutely unbelievable in my opinion. So Crypto.com unveiled as FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 official sponsor. World's fastest growing crypto app platform has more than 10 million customers and over 4,000 employees worldwide. FIFA and Crypto.com sponsorship will drive significant awareness around the cryptocurrency trading platform through brand exposure at the world's most popular sporting event. FIFA has announced that Crypto.com will be the official sponsor for the World Cup. The company will be the exclusive cryptocurrency trading platform sponsored of Qatar 2022. Think about the millions and millions and millions of eyes that will be on Crypto.com, as their logo will be absolutely everywhere during the FIFA World Cup. So, and will benefit from significant branding exposure both within and outside the tournament's stadiums. I think that's really, really cool. As I've always mentioned, I do think Crypto.com is absolutely crushing it with their marketing and will be one of the largest, if not the largest, cryptocurrency exchange in the world for many years to come. So if we hop over, we look at the supercharger in 1 day's time, we have MMF. I believe this is Meerkat. I don't know too much about this cryptocurrency. They're now listed on crypto.com. Let me scroll down here. So MM Finance has the largest ecosystem on Cronos with its DEX Yield Optimizer NFT, Algo stablecoin, and DFT. So earn passive income by staking your crypto assets. So if you want to look more into it, guys, just head over to mmfinance.com. And if you want to earn some free crypto, jump over to the supercharger. We just had VRA for a 30% APY, and right before that was Bitcoin at a 52% APY. So tomorrow the APY will be announced, so don't miss out. And of course, as I mentioned in every video, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. 6% for Cronos. We have 8% on Tether, 4% on Ethereum. We also have some very exciting things coming with the DeFi wallet in April, and we'll get into that in the month to come. And of course, their incredible Visa card, cashback, and crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives. You know what to do. Head over to crypto.com. You receive $25 just for signing up through my referral. It takes 2 seconds to sign up. It's my favorite app for investing, for staking. I love the Visa card, and I stake most of my CRO in the DeFi wallet. That's it for this one. Check it out by clicking the link down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.